I think for a long time, we grew up in a culture where 9 to 5 was the only priority. I think the traditional take work home with you grind is going by the wayside. Allowing people to have more flexibility in their work-life balance is the new normal. My name is Olivia Himmel, and Mary Kay just fits. I grew up in Mason, Michigan. It's outside of East Lansing. My childhood was spent playing outside, reading a lot of books, playing soccer with my brothers. I'm half Japanese. My family came here from Japan, and seeing how they pursued this life in the United States and were able to make something out of nothing, something that I could take a lot of pride in. When I originally started, I was a freshman in college and was just looking for a way to make some extra income. I didn't really do a whole lot with my Mary Kay business, so I just had a few customers here and there, but that's also the beauty of a Mary Kay business, is it can ebb and flow through the different seasons of your life. Once I graduated, I decided to start building my Mary Kay business on nights and weekends. What I love most is the freedom that it allows me in my life. I love my routine, getting up in the morning, doing my Bible study, having my coffee, and then being able to put in a few hours of work in my home office before I head off to the gym every day. Fitness is a huge part of my life. As a former athlete, it was just always something that was ingrained in me. I make product deliveries at that time. I work for a few more hours, following up with clients, booking new appointments, coaching my team. Skincare is always in. Everybody wants to have good skin. The no makeup trend is in right now. When women feel that their skin is healthy and beautiful enough that they can feel confident with less makeup, that's even better. What advice would I give my 18-year-old self? Not to worry so much about the opinions of other people, to really just follow your own gut and your own intuition and God's calling on your life. No matter how it might look to other people, you have to do what you're meant to do. It also allows me the time to invest in my relationships. It just makes you really feel valued. I honestly can't imagine the type of person who I would be if I didn't have the coaches and mentors who I've had in Mary Kay.